Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to see some methods which help us in dropping the duplicate rows. Duplicate rows are not useful for data analysis or creating a machine learning model. That's why we need to drop the duplicate rows. Now this can be achieved by using the drop duplicates inbuilt function. And we are going to see its parameters also. So for that, first of all, we need to import pandas. So import pandas as PD. Let's run it. So my pandas is imported. Now let's create a data frame which will be having some duplicate rows. So let's create a data frame using a dictionary. Let's call this dictionary as data is equal to, let's put the first column name as names. And this is going to contain a list of names of students. Let's put it Raj, Rajat, Gaurav, Karan, and let's take the last name as Asif. Now the second column name will be marks. Let's put the marks as 56, 89, 90, then 45, then 34. Now for creating the duplicate rows, we also need to duplicate a name. So let's put again Raj. And over here let's put the marks of Raj again. So that is 56. Now let's put the third column name as city to which they belong. Let the first city be Pune, second city be Bangalore, let the third city be Mumbai, and let the fifth city be Kolkata. And we need to again write Pune because we want to create a duplicate row. Now if I create a data frame, that is df is equal to pd dot data frame data, and I print df, we are getting an error. Okay, we have written only 5 cities, so we need to add one more city. Let's keep it Delhi. Let's run it now. So I can see that this is a very small data frame in which I can see that one row is duplicate, that is first and the last row is duplicate. Now we are going to see the drop duplicates function. So we are going to write df dot drop duplicates. So you can hit shift plus tab and you can click on this plus icon to see what the parameters actually mean. So I can see that first parameter is subset. So you have to provide the column name on which you want to apply this drop duplicates function. Now the second one is keep. Now keep can have three values, that is first, last and false. If you apply first in keep, that means the first occurrence of that element will be ignored, but all the other elements after this, that means if Raj is occurring twice or thrice, then first will not be affected, but after this they will be dropped. Now if you keep last as keep, then last occurrence will not be affected, but all the occurrence of Raj before the last occurrence will be dropped. Now if you keep false, then all the duplicate rows, whether they are occurring once or twice or at the first position or last position, they will be dropped. So this is the meaning of this keep. Now in place. In place means whether you want to affect the original data frame or not. So these were the parameters. Now first of all, let's put subset as, let's keep the column name as names first. So names. Now the second parameter, that is keep. We need to keep, let's put the keep as first. Let's run it. So I can see that the first occurrence of Raj is not affected, but the last occurrence of Raj is gone, or we can say it is dropped. Now if I put keep as last, let's copy it, let's paste it over here, and we will put keep as last. And if I run it, I can see that first occurrence of Raj is gone, or we can say it is dropped, but the last occurrence of Raj is there. Now let's put the keep as false. We need to remove these quotes because it is a boolean, and if I run it, I can see that both the occurrence of Raj are removed and Raj name is not at all in the data frame. But now if I run df again, I can see that there is no change made to this original data frame. So for that thing, I can apply this in place is equal to true as a parameter, and now my original data frame will also be affected. Now if I run df again, I can see that this is now my original data frame. So this is how you can remove the duplicate values in your data frame. So if you want to give us any suggestion or feedback, you can do that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.